Do you know how to do you know how to increase the contract count after you place a trade that hasn't filled? Oh, there we go. All right, I'm doing two stop market or stop loss order at or yeah, buy stop at 65 65.25. One tick above one tick above the bar that confirmed for me. Oh my God. It is two ticks from my order. This will be my first order. I'm so excited. Come on. There it is. Got filled. Here we go. Here we go. So where's my stop? That's the one low. So 60, 75. My stop to protect myself. So I accidentally put it one tick high. I put it one tick higher than I meant to. It's at 61 even. I meant to do 60, 75.
Order filled.
Oh, oh, hang on, hang on. Here we go. Come on, baby. So it's 65, so 70. Okay. Oh my God. No, not necessarily. I knew I should have gotten my limit in by the 50 MA on the 100. Oh my Lord. There we go. Come on now. Come back. Yeah, I'm riding it out. I don't care. Ah, got stopped out.
Order filled.
All good. Wow. That was awesome, though. Freaking awesome. I knew I should have scalped. I was too busy putting in my sell stop that my stop limit didn't get in until after it had already fallen. Yeah, this might be our this might that might have been the first retrace in a downtrend.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Totally. Damn. I'm so mad I didn't put my fucking sell limit in at the right time. But hey, this is why you do this in a simulator. I need to have it set up like you do, where as soon as my order fills, the bracket gets put on it, and then I can adjust it. Yeah, yeah, because then I can adjust. Well, I only would have I wouldn't have sold the whole position, but I only did two contracts, and I would have sold the first one when it got back to the 50 MA on the 100. Um, and by the time I finished putting in my sell stop, because that's obviously I got to protect my downside before I try to take the profit. Um, so it's all right. Lesson learned. Yep. Now we got to wait for a full retrace and then a sell signal. uh, yeah. So how did there it is. all good. Coming up a little bit on the 100, but I think our the 15 is going down so hard. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna bounce off it. Oh no, come on, you piece of shit. Well, let's see. 50.
Order submitted.
Yo,
Order filled.
what's up? No, you guys were just talking about something, so I just hung up and let you guys do your thing in private.
Order submitted.
Right. Oh, wow. Yeah. Right. Are you guys on like a month to month or? Oh, of course. Right. Oh, nice. I'm waiting on my cell signal, so but I don't have one yet, so you're
Order
right to stay
submitted.
in it. Oh, right. Oh, it really could.
Order submitted.
If
Order
you want,
submitted.
I'm not going to be able to look at it. I have my finger like on the trigger right now, though. Yeah, yeah, do that for sure. Oh my God.
Order filled.
$64.50. 62 even. Oh, it's doing it to you. Here it is. Oh, come on. It's going up still. Come on now. There it is.
Put my mic on too so people can hear the other side of this. People, I mean me and you, can hear me talking now too. Oh, come on, fill it. Yeah, buddy, fill it. It just has to break the average. Come on. Oh no. It's hooking. Push the average. Oh, I don't like that Danshin downward hook. There we go. Oh man, I don't know if this is a holder yet, man. It's still coming up though. I might get that crossover here. I'm waiting on it. You'll see what I mean on the 200 when I show you the video. Oh, I moved my stop loss to break even, which funny enough is actually a tick below the last candle on the 200, so that's cool. That makes me feel better. Oh, here it comes. Come on. Yeah, fill it out. Oh, it's hooking big time on the higher time frame. I can hold this for sure. I'm gonna actually change this.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. Oh my God, I just got tipped. I didn't get filled. Oh, that sucks. You should have seen that, dude. It flashed right up to my target, and it just scared it away. It's coming though. Here it comes. Fill that one, fill the next one. I'm good to go. Here's my third contract going. So I had two filled already at 4. What did I get filled at there? I got filled at 4 3/4, I want to say. Yeah. Okay, now it's coming back through the average line. It's fluctuating now. It's going to do this to me. Oh, you suck. Wow. Oh, that's stupid. I'm an idiot. I was looking at the ES 600 tick on the other screen. That's why I was like, whoops. It was confirming though, so that's cool, I guess.
I'm listening to you. Sorry, I'm just tracking this really close. um, that explains why I was so confused that you were seeing buys on
Yeah,
so
I was like,
many.
wait a minute. But no, it's fine. It's funny. It's funny that it actually correlates anyway, but not the same looking chart. So here, I'm gonna get my third
Right,
contract filled right now, and I'm gonna let the other one probably run
right.
up to the top of this. If it, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Little indecision around. Oh, here it goes. It's looking happy higher time frame. I'm gonna leave it where it is right now. I like it where it is. I got conservative profits on this, profit targets on this. Don't do this. Come on, break it. Now, if I want to put a bracket on this, let me see what it does. There it goes.
Whoa, it
Order
gapped
filled.
up on my minute tick.
Yep, there it goes. I got my crossover candle right there. I've got a one sell stop here. So far I've got 3 contracts filled out. I've got a 1 tick here. Perfect. Let's see it run.
What's wrong, kiddo? Okay.
All right, I'm just going to let it sit now. I've got my final sell up top. I've got a positive stop loss for this one at about 2 1/4. No, sorry, 3 1/4. So I'm happy with it. I'm all in the money now. Let it run, man. I set up a 2-to-1 bracket. My sell target for the final contract is 13,885.50. So let's see.
Nice.
I might get. I don't want to get this stopped too quickly, so I might have to adjust this. I put a tick below the last candle, which was a crossover, so I think I'm okay, but it could slam me. I'll take the risk. I'll let it slam me. It's fine. It's a good trade either way. So it's also a tick below the 15, which is coming back up through the 50 right now on my 200. So I'm pretty confident that it's going to continue. I've got a great signal on the. Oh, I don't like that though on the higher time frame. It's too close to that. It might actually clip my stop. We'll see. Um, I got a great signal of the crossover of the 0 on the CCI on the bottom, and then I've got the small negative bars of momentum below the
Yeah.
0, but that's already hooked, so I think it's good to go north. So I've set the 2-to-1 on the 200, which is 5 points above the upper Donchian on the 600.
Okay.
So it's going. Yeah, so what I didn't do and what I noticed earlier is that when you get a trend sort of thing like this that's not a totally confirmed uptrend, if you get it's not necessarily a divergence, but it is a divergence on this, but if you get that hook off of the negative momentum in the CCI for this, after it's pushed the lower Donchian down for an uptrend for a buy signal, that's the
Yeah.
stronger hook, and that's exactly what happened to me. I got stopped out on the last one because I played the first one. I didn't see it coming back down to push the Donchian, and then when it did, I just bought back in after the hook on the first bar that I had there, and it was actually a perfect entry. I did a market order because it's going slow, but it's a perfect entry. So now I'm expecting it to come up and do my 2-to-1 ratio off of the Donchian on the 20 period. So my chart looks like a fucking nuclear mess because they've got so many fills on it. It's gonna feel a little sloppy, but that's okay. I got like a multiple buy and sells because it only filled 3 and 1 on the first time we entered, and it filled 1 2 1 on the second time. And then
Yeah.
I've got my cells all over the place, so it's unfortunately an ugly ass chart, but it's fine. At
Right.
least with I tried to change the video resolution, so hopefully this won't be as shitty a video to sit back and watch. I've got an eight
Should
and a
you?
half point profit on so far on the final contract. It's coming up. Let's see what it does. I want to see if it hits resistance at. You know what? I kind of want to put this down to 80 because that's another good round number. I want to put that right there. That would give me a nice 16 pointer on the third contract. No, sorry, that would give me a 20. Whoops. I want to put that at 18, 80, 50. Let that do it. Give me a 20-point run on that. There we go. 80, 75. Let's see if that does it. It's below my 2-to-1, so I think I'm good there. It's gonna take it a fucking while though. So far I've got about 42 minutes in this record. So we've got both trades too, which is nice. So we can watch them both. Oh yeah, baby. 9 points. Let's go. Come on. Wow, this was a crispy trade, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, I'm
That
at
made me
11
jealous.
points. Come on.
I'm jealous. So have you you use the crosshair, right?
I do now. Yeah, now that I'm used to it, I really do like it. And what's nice
Have you
is,
synced have you synced it across your charts?
no, no. Oh, here we go.
So I'm
I'm
using
at 14 points now. Oh, come on. 1250. It's gonna push the Donchi now. You'll see what I mean when you see the video. This is
mm,
great. This is a beautiful trade.
so
I
I'm
love this.
I'm using four charts right now, the 1000, the 3000, and then or I'm sorry, the 100, the 300, and then the 1 minute and the 3 minute.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
and I have the crosshair linked globally across all four of them.
Oh, that's what the okay. All right. Yeah, I
Look
see
at
what you mean. A global.
just like regardless of whether it works, I think it makes me look so professional. Like
Yeah.
look at this. Isn't that pretty cool?
I'm at oh, sorry. Hold on. I gotta pull up your screen. I've got my OBS studio running on that screen. One sec. Let me look at what you got here. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's some vectoring right there. That's some military shit.
You can also have them like sync so that they scroll the horizontal scrolls
Yeah.
with you.
Here's
I'm
my chart. I forgot I can just stream this to you. Here's my chart right now. It's backwards, but
oh yeah,
look at that. It's coming up to that final target. It's going to push the Donchian right now, right? Right here.
yeah. Oh man, I really hope you break that or that resistance.
Oh, it's going. It's going to go up to the next one. It's going to go up to 80.70. I put it to 80.75. I bought it at 860.75. So let's get that 20
Nice.
points right here. Let's see what it does, and I'll send you the video. Get over here, webcam. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect. This is a great little webcam. It just kind of uses gravity to sit on the bracket. It's not even mounted to anything. It's got a hook shaped bracket that it sits on. Let's see. Okay, so it hit the Danshin. It's not pushed it yet. It's broken through the Danshin, but it hasn't changed the Danshin yet. But it will once it hits this. Once this candle fills out, I got 23 ticks left. So I'm looking for the next. I've only got three ticks above the 80 big number. So big 10. So we'll see if it pushes that, it's got to push it by three ticks, especially on the Nasdaq. It's going to roll. Now it's going to do a little retrace because it hit the Donchian, but then it pushed it a little bit. It's going to come back up. It
Nice.
feels good to have the group back, though. I'll tell you that. I felt like shit last week. I'm not changing shit now.
It's okay. Let me tuck it in. Yes. I will be fine here. And let me know when you're hungry. We're gonna have we have those burritos that I made last night. Okay. So you can have. I'll heat one of those up for you whenever you're hungry. I'll just cut it in half. Actually, it's kind of fucking cold in my house. Yep. Hmm.
It's really teasing me, man. It's just sitting there. It's pushing it and it's retracing and it's pushing it and it's retracing and it's just like I mean within a candle, not to any significant level, but this is what it does. The Donchian pushes up a little bit, kind of flattens, and then you get a little red candle, and then it pushes again, and then it flat.
Yeah.
I'm changing my stop loss a little higher though, just to be a little safer. It's still got the momentum to move up to this target. Though this is one of those. This is one of those Donchian crossovers that I expected to hit the two to well, maybe not even the 2-to-1, but at least where I'm at now without doing its first like real retrace. This is early enough in the trend, and it's a pretty good one. And this
Right.
thing, oh yeah, this thing is still has yet to come through the zero on the 600. I'm trading on the 200. I will say Barry was definitely right about that. That seems to be a pretty healthy ratio of tick chart values for seeing these candles without as nearly as much noise. Like anything over that, dude, it's crazy. These candles on the Nasdaq,
Right.
it's unbelievable. They're so sandwiched, and there's so much um, indecision that to the naked eye that you don't see, and then really lowering the time frame down. I can't imagine what trading at 200 and 600 is like at full market speed, though. So I'm a little worried about that, but. At least for now, it's good theory practice for our eyeballs because I don't think that I'll have the stones to trade NASDAQ at full speed Just the nature of it, it freaks me out already.
Oh God, yeah, dude, that sounds horrifying.
Especially on such a small tick time frame, you know? I mean, you could back it out to like 600 and 1800, which is probably what we would have to do. But yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking.
That's
It's
just
thinking,
such a big range for something that moves fast.
yeah,
It's
I know. Oh, here it comes. Okay, now it's pushing the Danshin back up again. Come on, baby. I'm at 16. I want that 20 though. You know I want that 20 points. Here it comes.
so I mean, so this is clearly an uptrend, and what's funny is across all four of my
Order
Oh,
filled.
oh, filled. Yeah, buddy. Done. Trade's over.
yeah, across all four of my charts, this is all still one wave.
It is one wave. Yeah, that I caught the first wave through, and I caught it from the
There's
very bottom with this indicator, dude. I really like this indicator.
there is not a single one of these four
Wow.
charts that is not the case for. Come on, retrace for me here. Just make it nice and pretty.
Yeah, if I were you, I'd be looking for that return back to your 15 or 50. Actually, your 50 probably. It's going to come through your 50, and then I would get the hook from below the 50 and trade that up into the next target.
I don't think we're coming anywhere close to the 50, dude, on all
Maybe you
four.
might get the 15 then, yeah. Which
The
chart are you
15.
looking at?
All four of them, we're like substantially above the 50.
Okay.
Let's see.
Wow, for tonight's session, I'm at 760 bucks.
On all four charts, I'm at least, the price is at least 15 points above the 50, and on some it's
Okay.
bigger. And you started that trade below it, so it's not like it was just like a recent. I am actually really liking, at least for the slow market. I have no idea if this will hold, but the inclusion of the time charts.
It can help to narrow out noise too.
Well, it just gives
Oops.
me a better idea. As it gives me a better idea of what's happening mid candle when the market's moving slow.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
It gives you more of a story of how the candle changed rather than just the one candle snapshot. Excuse me. Here we go though. Retrace, baby.
Yep, it's coming.
I'm hoping it's not too slow.
I'm
It
seeing it
look.
on my chart. Well, not on the 600 yet, but I'm seeing it on the.
I meant.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
a weak one. Oh man,
I
pull
meant too
back.
fast.
Give it a minute. It's not going to pull back yet. It's going to step up more on the Danchin on the 200 here for me.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Eh. All right, I'll stop the recording on this one, but that's awesome. We had an hour of one good failed trade, perfect failed trade, and one solid winner. Damn, I'm gonna send this to Barry. Be like, hey,
Thanks.
yeah, seriously, hey, look at me.